Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Andike Pratama from the Technocrat University of Indonesia, Faculty of Economic and Business, Accounting Study Program. Here I will explain about the power of supply and demand. Enjoy watching. The force of supply and demand are basic concepts in economics that describe the price of goods and services are determined in the market through the interaction of supply and demand. The following is an explanation of each strength. 1. Request. Definition. Demand is the amount of goods or service that consumers want and are able to buy at various price levels in a certain period. Law of demand. If the price of a good increases, the quantity demanded tends to decrease and vice versa. This is known as the law of demand. Factor of affecting demand. The price of the item itself, consumer income, consumer tastes and preference, price of related goods, future price expectation. 2. Offer. Definition. Supply is the number of goods or service available and when to be sold by producer at various price levels in a certain period. Law of supply. If the price of a goods or service rises, producer tend to increase the quantity of the goods supplied, and vice versa. Factor affecting offers. Production costs or such as raw material and labor costs, technology use, number of producers in the market, future price expectation, government policies such as tax and subsidies. 3. Market balance definition. Market equilibrium is the point at which the quantity of goods demanded equals the quantity of goods supplied, resulting in an equilibrium price and equilibrium quantity. If demand or supply changes, market equilibrium will also change, affecting the price and quantity of goods in the market. 4. Example of the force of supply and demand daily life. Price of wood, price of wood product. If there is a shortage of basic commodities such as rice due to crop failure, the price of rice tends to rise because the quantity of goods offered decreases. Electronic goods. When a new product such as a smartphone is launched, demand is high, so price rise. However, over time, price stabilizes or decreases as supply increases. Full price. Full demand increases during the holiday season or during global conflict, triggering an increase in full price. 5. Why are the forces of supply and demand important? Determining price. The interaction of supply and demand helps determine the price of goods and services in the free market. Resource allocation. Conclusion. The force of supply and demand are market mechanisms that determine the price and quantity of goods or services traded. Understanding this concept is important for individuals and organizations to adapt to market change and make the right decision. Change in supply and demand. Change in supply and demand. Change in certain factors can cause a shift in the supply or demand curve, which in turn will affect the price and quantity of goods traded in the market. A factor affecting demand. Demand is not only influenced by price, but also by various other factors, such as Consumer income. If consumer income increases, demand will increase for normal goods. Conversely, if income falls, demand will decrease. Consumer preference. If there is a change in tastes or habits, demand will shift price of related goods. The price of substitute goods. Goods that can replace other goods or complements goods that are used together can affect demand. For example, if the price of electric cars falls, demand for petrol cars sold decreases as many consumers switch to electric cars. Example of demand shift. If there is a health campaign encouraging people to eat more vegetables, then the demand curve for vegetables will shift to the right. B. Factor affecting offers. Offers might change due to several factors, including production costs. If raw materials or labor costs increase, then production costs will increase and producer might reduce the supply of goods. Technological innovation can reduce production costs and increase the quantity of goods offered at the same price. Number of producers. If more producers enter the market, then the number of goods supplied will increase. Weather condition or natural disaster in the case of goods such as agricultural produce. External factors such as weather can influence supply. Example of supply shift. If the cost of raw materials for car production falls, for example, the price of steel falls, then car manufacturer can increase the supply of cars at the same price, and the supply curve will shift to the right. Impact of price change on supply and demand. When the price of a good or service changes, this cost shift along the supply or demand curve, leading to change in the price and quantity of the good traded in the market. Price increase. If the price of a good rises, the quantity demanded will fall because consumers are less able or less interested in buying at a higher price. While the quantity supplied will rise because producers are more interested in producing more of the good at a higher price. Tal. Price decreases. Conversely, if the price of a good falls, the quantity demanded will rise because the good becomes more affordable, while the quantity supplied will fall because producers will reduce production of the good if the price is low. The use of supply and demand in daily life. Supply and demand are important economic concepts to understand in everyday life because they reflect the quantity and price of goods and services in an economy. Supply and demand has several uses include help manufacturer determine price. By understanding supply and demand, manufacturer can determine the right price for their product. For example, if demand is high but supply is limited, manufacturer may raise price to maximize profit. Help producer determine production quantities. Supply and demand can help producer determine the right production quantities. Helps understand the relationship between sellers and buyers. Supply and demand describe the relationship between sellers and buyers in the market. Help understand the law of supply and demand. The law of supply and demand explain how price change when supply and demand change. For example, when supply increases and demand does not, price will fall. Some example of the application of the law of supply and demand in everyday life include during the main harvest season, the prices of harvest goods will decrease. When LPG rise, traders will offer more product to the public in order to make big profit. Clothing trends influence consumer demand for certain clothing products. That a little explanation from me. Thank you.